Do you ever look at Newport and realize that there's a certain energy here? It's electric. It's sophistication. It's like a symphony of dreams and history, a dance of ambition and elegance that never stops. It's truly special living in Newport, Rhode Island. Today, we invite you in to step back in time and experience the brilliance of the Gilded Age. Welcome to Ivy Tower, where luxury meets history.
Welcome to Ivy Tower, a true architectural gem.
Ivy Tower is a stunning classic Tudor-Style estate, a piece of history dating back to the 1800s, designed by renowned architect J.D. Johnston. This incredible property is located on the coveted south end of Bellevue Avenue.
As we step closer, you'll notice its historic characteristics. The stone facade and beautiful stained glass captivate you from the very first glance.
And that's just the beginning. Sitting on 1.1 acres, with 7,373 square feet of living space, 9 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 2 half baths, comprised on 3 levels. Additional features include an in-ground pool, tennis court, and 2-car garage. As we venture inside, you'll witness this exquisite grand entry room where the charm of Ivy Tower continues to unfold.
Take in this stunning fireplace, formal sitting room, and elegant grand staircase.
Enter the serene sanctuary of knowledge at the Ivy Tower Library. Designed for book enthusiasts, it offers ample space for your literary collection. Sunlight gently illuminates the room, creating an atmosphere of calm and creativity. Unwind in the snug fireplace nook where stories spring to life. Enhanced by parquet hardwood floors, this room is a masterpiece that complements your every step.
Step into the formal dining room. Throughout the entire home, you'll notice the recurring theme of high ceilings, hardwood floors, and timeless architectural craftsmanship. Here, the focal point is the fireplace, one of 8 in this magnificent home. This particular fireplace is my favorite. It's more than just an architectural feature. It's the heart of the room, radiating timeless elegance and welcoming everyone into its warm embrace.
Step on the patio and pool area, surrounded by greenery and mature trees. This outdoor oasis gives you the opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. In the middle, there's an elegant and inviting swimming pool, perfect for relaxation. The bluestone terrace is ideal for hosting gatherings and enjoying laid-back moments with friends and family.
This beautiful backyard space awaits your enjoyment. Grab your tennis racket and your ball and enjoy a game of tennis within the privacy of these high fences.
Thanks for joining us on our tour of Ivy Tower. Your new home awaits.
Ivy Tower, where sophistication meets serenity.